In recent years, we've brought you, our loyal customers, to exotic locations like the Sahara Desert, the Atlantic Ocean, and our realistic Pompeii adventure experience. The Rainforest, a warm vacation climate year-round, and fertile soil that supports the most plant life in the world. In the areas not devastated by industry and human resource consumption, at least. With the colorful animals, the climbable trees, and the promise of adventure, it is the perfect family vacation destination.
No, you can't bring kids here. That's a really bad idea.
Speaking of families, the Tropical Rainforest is a great place to give your children the education of a lifetime.
Hi kids! The rainforest is a magical place, full of new animal friends. They can adapt quickly and are able to climb trees, so these friends can follow you anywhere. Their bright rainbow of colors represent the vast array of poisons that find their home in the rainforest. But don't worry, some of the animals are just pretending. It's a fun guessing game to tell which is which. Now the leaves in the understory need to grow really big to get the little bit of sunlight that pierces the canopy. Experts in dreamology say the darkness at the forest floor is sort of like the darkness found in nightmares. And be careful, the rainforest is really wet, so watch out for those pesky malaria-carrying mosquitoes.
Let's hear a real-life consumer experience. See? Absolutely speechless.
Guys, no, seriously. I am a trained professional. You can't bring your kids here. It's dangerous.
Need to know what to bring for your dream vacation? We've got you covered. You'll need summer attire, extra strength bug spray, sunblock, hiking shoes, small slabs of meat, antiseptic, industrial strength rope, a machete, generic brand ointment, and anti-venom. You can get all this and more at our Legit Travel Co. customer service centers.
This won't help you. This company is corrupt. I took my finger. Oh, not again.
Come visit the rainforest with Legit Travel Co. Talk to your agent to schedule your visit today. Legit Travel Co. Get lost in the fun of adventure.
You can't bring your kids here. It's dangerous.
Hey, you...
Guys, listen.
That one was...
That's a really bad idea.
Are you ready?
That supports the most plant life, the most plant life, and fertile soil that supports the rainforest, the climbable trees, and the promise of adventure. My mouth opens too wide to actually say the words.
Come on, you got
The
it.
climbable.
Okay. So,
Head down
should I
here.
just, like, jump in across the screen at a random time?
Oh, it's been recording this whole time.
Oh, okay.
I'm recording this. That'd be fun. How do you stop recording?
You know, for a song, he's pretty acrobatic.
You're an acrobat.
Just look at the camera.
Yeah.
Ah!